In this video, I'll be showing you how to use this app called Typing Hero. With this app, you can create text shortcuts, and I'll be showing you how that works, just in case you don't understand what I mean. Okay, so head over to the Play Store and search for Typing Hero. When you find it, install it. After it is done installing, tap Open, and then grant it some permissions. So tap Continue, tap Turn On, and then search for the app, tap it, and enable it. For some phones, you have to wait for a few seconds, but for me, I just need to tap Allow. Okay, then go back, then turn off battery optimization so that the app does not get terminated by your phone. So tap Turn Off and then tap Allow, and that's all. Just tap Finish. So you can start creating text shortcuts using the app. Now, for the free version of the app, you don't have some options like these features, actions and clipboard. I'll show you how they work when I upgrade to the premium version of the app. But for the free users, all you need to do now is come back to text, tap the plus button down here. Since you'll be using the app for free, I would not recommend creating folders unless you really want to. So just tap snippet, and now you get to enter the text. So let's say we want to create a shortcut for my email. So what I'll do is type mail, or let's just say email. And then here is where I'll enter my actual email address. As you can see, my email is quite long, so typing it all the time can be annoying. But with this shortcut now, I can just type email whenever I'm maybe sending messages, and it should suggest my email address. I'll show you how it works. So I'm going to tap here, and now this has been created. So let's say you're having a conversation with someone and they request for your email. Instead of typing out your very long email, you can just type email, and I haven't even finished typing email, and as you can see, Typing Hero has suggested my email, so I can tap it and it's going to just type out my email for me. So you can create a lot of snippets, maybe one for your phone number. You can just call it phone and maybe enter your phone number there. Let's just enter random numbers. So if I go back to my Note app, just imagine I'm talking to someone maybe via email and they ask for my phone number. Instead of typing my phone number, I can just start typing phone, and you can see it has suggested my phone number. But if I complete the spelling, it automatically adds my phone number, and I don't want that. I haven't really found a way to disable this, but what you can do is just tap the delete button and you should get the word back, and if you want to type something else, you can. So I don't know why they said it this way, and I've gone through the settings and I haven't been able to find a way to stop it, but maybe I will later on, and I should make a video about it. Okay, so that's what you get with the free version of the app. So now I'm going to upgrade and show you what you get with the pro version. But before I do that, let me just show you the restrictions you have if you're using the free version of the app. So this is part of the premium version. All these options, they are premium options, and all of these are also premium options, so that you'll see that they are activated when I upgrade. Okay, so I'm now using the premium version of the app. If I tap here, you'll see that I have more options. So let's go to settings and you should see more options as well. Now, one thing that most people have is multiple email addresses. So with the free version, you can only have one shortcut by email, but for the premium version, you can have one shortcut for several email addresses. So let's edit this one that I made earlier, and then I'll tap add new template. So you can see over here, I can type in another email address. So now I have two email addresses for this keyword. I'll tap here to save it. And now if I go back to any Note app and I type email, you'll see that it suggests two emails for me because I have two emails recorded. So I can choose the email that I want to use. Okay, so let's just scroll down to the text selection section. So you can see all these keywords that can be used to manipulate your texts. So let's say you have a bunch of texts and you want to select them. Normally you can just long press and then drag the selecting part to select all of them. But with Typing Hero, if you have the premium version, you can type comma AA. As you can see, all the text have been selected. That's because of this option here, select all text. You can use this to select all text. So we have this one called SB. You can use it to select text to the left of the cursor. So let's try it. So let's put the cursor here. So for this to work, you need a space. So add a space, then enter comma SB, and the text to the right will be selected. Let's try this one that deletes all the text. So comma DD. So that's all I'll cover in the premium section. You can go through the app and see what you can try, see what is useful for you. But for me, I like it when I can have multiple templates. That's what they are called, for every keyword. Okay, so hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and bye-bye.